Welcome to Rudivesh Finance. We are presenting GMP prediction for Metro Brand Limited. Uh, Dear investors and viewers, this predictions might be failed. This prediction might be successfully complete, as like the other IPOs, which is happening in this month of the December 2021. If you see, there are a number of GMP and subscription prediction given by us for a number of IPOs, but unfortunately many times it fails. Like in this IPO we have given Metro Brand Limited has a nicely ranking over here, but unfortunately it has been failed in case of subscription, because there are a number of IPOs already into the market and it is IPO by choice. So we are not giving the reason that why our statistic has been failed, but usually we gives a good numbers to all the companies, because their management do really hard work to do listing or whatever, stabilize the business in this COVID situation. As we see, the economy is already unstable since 2019 onwards till 2021 December itself. So hopefully in the future it can be recovered, and this kind of IPO becomes a multi-bagger. So just wait and watch. We are giving over here just prediction, and we are hoping a good luck for all the companies which already listed in the market in the year of 2021. So hopefully you will gain you will find our another video. Suppose this has been successfully listed according to our target. So Riddhivesh Finance presenting GMP prediction for Metro Brands Limited IPO 2021. Riddhivesh Finance presenting Metro Brand Limited IPO. Detail IPO opening date will be the 10th December 2021. IPO closing date will be 14 December 2021. And issue type is book build issue. IPO face value will be 5 rupees per equity share, and IPO price band between 485 to 500 per equity share. Market lot will be 30 shares per minimum. Order quantity will be 30 shares. Listing at BSE and NSE. Basis of allotment date will be on the 17th December 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on December 20, 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account on 21st December 2021, and listing of IPO date is 22nd December 2021. Dear investors and viewers, we have given subscription prediction for Metro Brand Limited IPO 2021 was at least 40% to maximum 80%, but it hasn't met accordingly that. So we are sorry for that. This time our analysis literally failed. And yes, we can see the GMP. Hopefully it will become so true. Dear viewers, if you see Metro Brand Limited subscription report over here, they have been qualified institutional investors is 8.49 number of times mint for total mint fair category, including foreign institutional investor, domestic financial institutes like a bank, financial institution, insurance companies, etc. Mutual funds is also available there, and other non-institutional investors also show the interest 3.02, including corporates and individual other than RRIS. Retail individual investors shows interest 1.13, and the overall this Metro Brand Limited has got subscribed 3.64 number of total mint for the category over here. GMP prediction for Metro Brand Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, suppose this has offer as a discount offer to attract investors. It can touch up below the 450 INR only. We are expecting that Metro Brand might be goes down, probably. And suppose it has given a good returns on the day of listing, it can a minimum we are expecting 575 INR, where maximum it can goes up to band 750 INR, but it is quite upper limit. Yeah, it can goes to 850 also, because we can't say anything about the management having good grassroots over here in the industry. Yeah, but probably they will gives you discount offer according to us, because uh, everybody is looking for an investment over here. So we are expecting this may gives you good discount offer, but if they wanted to show the positive signal, they can touch up to 600 around, that is 575 INR we are mentioning over here, because 600 and all we can't give it to you perfect in writing, because the strategy which they are holding over here, we are expecting discount offer in this IPO. Thank you. By Vridhivesh Finance, we will come up with the GMP and IPO detail. Apart from there, we have a new segment which we will launch next week. Have a great day, guys. Good night. Bye bye. Sweet dream. Hopefully, you will enjoy our video where we are predicting now. We are available on Twitter. Immediately, our all IP or GMP videos are available on Twitter too. You can follow us on a Twitter. Have a great day. Bye bye.